Hi everyone, have you ever felt nervous or had butterflies in your stomach just before you give your presentation or you had to give your speech in front of a lot of people? Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you with three simple steps. Hi everyone, I'm Sharon from Angel Speech and I'm here to help you become confident and a good communicator. So if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you would not miss out on any of these tips. So now we begin. The first step is do not have any script. I think you all must be thinking, what is she talking about? If you have a script, you become a parrot, You'll have to memorize every word, every single thing. And if you forget something, you're stuck. So instead of that, just pick three main points from the speech or from the presentation that you want your audience to know. And you build your talk according to that. It becomes more familiar, your audience would love it, your friends would enjoy listening to you. So try this trick. The second tip is you should come out of the anxiety zone. I know it's a big deal to give a big presentation or to give a big talk. You're just very, very nervous. Famous psychologists and everyone tell us that anxiety can be reversed if you just tell that I am not nervous. I am here to have a conversation with a friend. So that makes your mind ease out a little. Then what happens? You can have a conversation. Just find a very innocent face in the crowd, look at them and start your conversation, and the whole crowd will follow you. Well, we are coming to the last one, the third one. Now that is where we need to work on. We will follow the 4P rule. The first one is you have to pace. You cannot go too fast or you cannot go too slow. Have a moderate zone, when you are talking to your audience. The second one is your pitch. You cannot shout. You should have a wave. When you're talking, it should go up, it should go down. The voice should sound very melodious so that people will understand what you're trying to say. Well, the third one is the most important thing. That is called as pause. See, I've given you a pause. Now, when you pause, it lets the audience understand what you're trying to say. They get the time to download the stuff. So your pause is your weapon so that you would get a great response from your audience. Well, the last one is power. When you've practiced all these things, automatically your voice will be authoritative, your body posture would be really commanding, and you will be a great presenter. I hope you will start practicing these tips and this should help you to become a good communicator. Please like and share and comment for more what you want to know or what I can help you with. Thank you for watching Angel Speech. You have a great day.